Okay, this is Byron. Today is Thursday. Okay, I first the thing I want you to do, I'm gonna talk about some stock. I don't when I give a certain stock, I'm pretty really positive that it's going to go up very soon. Now, I don't have a stock in mind right now, so I do not want to give you any false information because I got some stocks in my mind that might do pretty good, but if I'm gonna put a stock or put my name on a stock on this YouTube channel, it's gonna be a pretty good stock because that's what I do. Okay, but the first thing I need you to do is there's a little red box in the corner. I like doing my finger. Hit that little red subscribe button because I got some really good content for you, some educational content, and some good advice about buying stock. Okay, on December, I think 31st, that was Tuesday, 2 days ago, I gave a stock. The symbol was NVDA, NVIDIA Corp. It was at one, and you can Google this. I like people to double check what I'm saying. It closed at 134.29. That's what it closed at, and I said that stock was going to go up. And today, I bought 500 shares, and but I sold it. Well, it's today. It closed at 138.31. It went up 4 points today. I sold it when it went up 3 points. I did not get greedy. I made my $1,500 and I ran. You really have to listen to what I'm saying and email me. I'm making a lot of people a lot of money, and I want you to be included. I just really study stocks. I know I don't have no big corporation or I'm not a stock broker or anything like that, but it's all about making money. And I give good stock advice. I do. When I give a stock, there's a 90% chance in short term, that's my profession, that stock will go up a day or so, maybe 2 or 3 days. It might not go up much, but you will make some money off that stock most of the time. My email address is my name Byron, and that's BYRON 4053 at hotmail.com. BYRON 4053 at hotmail.com. If you want any stock information, I'm very good at it. I know I'm 60 years old. I don't look like I'm good at it, but I am. I make money every day. Not much money every day because I don't buy that many shares usually. I bought 500 shares of NVDA today. And I want you to double check that, please. I'm begging you. Google it. Find out on the 31st what that stock closed at and what it closed at today. And if you look at my video said on that day, buy that stock. Or at least watch that stock. Because companies like that, when they go down a certain percentage, there's a great chance that stock is going to go back up in a day or so, or a couple of days, or even a week. That stock will go back up. You got it. Timing is everything. That's my motto. I need you to follow that. I can make you a lot of money if people listen to what I'm saying. This video should go viral. I'm serious. Everybody should subscribe because I can make a lot of money for you and your family where you don't have to work anymore. I know what I'm doing because I'm making so much money for other people. I am. And 90% of the time, I'm right at what I'm saying. Now, I'm not talking long term. I'm not talking about a dividend investor. I'm not talking about the options, futures, 401k. I'm not talking about any of that. I'm talking about short term. I'm talking about you make money. It's like get rich quick. You make money in a couple of days, that type of a stock. And that's the best type of investor. It is. It's not gambling because I know what I'm talking about. I study stocks. I tell you what to do before you buy it. I prepare you for making money. That's what I do. I prepare you for making money. Nobody know what stock is going to go up. Nobody can predict the future. No one can. I don't care how big the company is. I don't care if it's artificial intelligence. I don't care if it's AI. They know trends. And it's really a technique, and it's hard to pick a certain stock out of all these millions and millions of stocks out there. I just got a God-gift talent of doing it. I really do. I'm not bragging on myself. I'm just telling you the truth because I can make money for you. That's the bottom line. I can. Contact me on my email address and we can talk about, what stock is going to be the next. My name is Byron, the next Byron stock, I call it. Anyway, I have fun with this because I rarely lose money. It's really fun when you're making money. It is. That's why I'm always excited. Especially my friends, the people that know me, please contact me because it's another. I'm trying to use the correct wording about the stock market. Okay. How do I say it? It's the greatest institution for making wealth. It really is. It's the greatest institution for making wealth. If you want to make money, bring money into your family, it's the greatest way to make big wealth. It is for you to get wealthy, the stock market. Now, there's another side to this. You can lose your money big time too if you pick the wrong stock. That's why when I give a stock, I do not want you to buy it right away. I don't. I want you to put it on a watch list. I want you to put it on an alert and then watch it because there's certain companies to me at that moment, every company has a moment. That stock, you got to catch it when it goes down because all stocks, I tell you, every time it goes up and down. Like NVDA, Nvidian, the stock went down. Okay. That's when I bought it. You got to catch it when it goes down. All stocks go up and down. Now, another stock that I'm starting to get interested in, and a lot of people are kind of going away from it, is Tesla. Tesla went down 24.56 today. That's how many points it went down. 24.56. It was a lot of news on it. I didn't even read all the news. What I need you to do is, I'm not telling you to buy that stock, but look at it very close. That's what you do. Prepare yourself to make money. Look at it very close. It went down 24 points. Okay. Now, if there's no news on it that says a big reason like why it went down, like it's going bankrupt or anything like that, read the news on Tesla. Put it, if you have your own brokerage company, online brokerage company, put it on a watch list. Put it on an alert just to watch it because that's a lot of points going down. If you understand the stock market, you'll know what I'm saying. It went, a perfect example. It went down 24.56, right? I told you that today, Tesla. And the symbol is TSLA. It's Tesla and Company. I'm sorry, Tesla Incorporated. Okay. It went down 24.56. I'm trying to make sure I say everything right. Now, the news probably was pretty bad on it. The news can bring stocks down. Okay. Now, after hours, it went up 4.02. That's kind of a good sign right there. That it's overcoming the news that came out that made it negative. So I don't know if that stock is going to go up tomorrow, but it's a good chance that it might, unless the news is very negative about it. Now, but one thing about Tesla, you got to look at the analyst price, the prediction of what Tesla's price is supposed to be at. It is overpriced. I think they got it priced at 200 and something, and it said 350 something. So it's really overpriced. That's why I always say a good company like Tesla, Amazon, Walmart. I'm not saying they're overpriced, but just because the name of the company do not make it a good investment. There's no name companies that's good investments because if any company is overpriced, it's not a good time to buy it short term. It's not, or long term. The price got to be right where you need to buy it at. And look what all the analysts say. If they keep that stock at overweight, strong buy, it's so many good qualities, certain good names. If they got all that on the stock, and that stock has great volume, And it's especially if the volume takes off one day, goes extremely higher, and that stock even start to go up. I'm just giving you some helpful hints on what's a good stock. That stock start to go up, and the analysts saying the stock is projected to go even up another 100 points in the next year. I'm gonna say it like that. Okay, and this is the key thing: buy low, don't get greedy, and timing is everything. And that stock start to go down one day. Remember I said this, the stocks go up and down. Now all that good news about that stock, everything good. And that stock start to drop. And the news is not negative on it. I almost guarantee you, and nobody else is going to say this. No big stock company, no big rich person, nothing. That stock will, in a day or two or a week, will start to go back up. And that's when you have to catch it. You got to catch that down mark to get that 3,000 in one day. Think about it. Think about it. Okay, Nvidian, the stock I was telling you about, went up 4 points today. If I had 1,000 shares of it, and most people do have that type of money, they would have made $4,000, right? In one day. In one day, $4,000, 1,000 shares. Because the stock went down yesterday, and it's such a strong stock. I had a feeling it was going to go back up. I have so many stocks in my mind. You need to email me, I'm begging you, and double check everything I'm saying. But you can Google anything these days. Google Nvidian, how it went, well, on December 31st, what it closed at, and pull up my video of what I said on December 31st. I like proving my points. I don't like talking about it. I'm trying to prove it to you. You need to email me so we can talk about making money for you and your family. We really do. Like I said, but I'm not 100%, but most of the time I am right. I really got the knowledge for the stock market. I'm trying to make sure I don't miss nothing. The Nvidian closed at 198,247-166. Incredible volume. Incredible volume. And it's still a lot. There's still a lot of room for growth too. So keep an eye on that stock. The stock I just told you about. It might go up a little bit more. But be careful. Just be careful. When stocks go up, they go back down too. So just be careful with that. I think that's pretty much it. But I want to emphasize that. Oh, by the way, the Dow Jones went down 151 points today. It's hard for stocks. It's really hard for stocks to go up when the Dow Jones start to go down. Now, 151 is not bad. Now, if it went down 1,000 points, I got a feeling the NVDA, that's the symbol, Nvidian Corp, would not have went up. That's just how powerful the Dow Jones is. Okay, and I read the news on why the Dow Jones went down. This stuff I'm telling you, write it down. This stuff is important. It went down. Rising rates and mega cap losses drove major indices. Okay, and like I said, all this stuff, I don't have time to explain it, but you can Google what that means right there. And that's why sometimes the stock market goes down. That's probably why the Dow Jones went down. Okay, like I said, hit that subscribe button because I'm willing to make money for you. I am. I really am. But email me. That's important. I want to finish this off by saying, in conclusion, don't forget there's a stock screener that you can use when you get your online brokerage account. You will know what I mean when you get that online brokerage account. And there's always certain things to look at. I need you to leave questions for me. I can answer it on YouTube. My email, I gave that my email address. Ask me questions, but make comments to help me out the way I'm trying to help you out, because I made a lot of money for a lot of people today, and I want to make money for you. I want to make money for you. Email me. Thank you. I'm trying to be kind. God got me on this path, and just to help people, and I'm doing my best. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.